Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about deleting a TikTok video from your profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to whatever video or post you want to remove and select the three-dotted icon in the bottom right panel. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll over on the bottom here to where it says delete all the way on the far right side, little trash bin icon above it. Select that, and then you can select the delete option. Please note you have 30 days after you've deleted it to restore it from the activity center. So you just would select delete and the video would become deleted. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.